I just did some work on my hydraulics because I was building a down pressure unit for my post hole digger, and I had to add this leg here, which made the exposure of my hydraulics a little more than it was before. But even yet, these are all pretty exposed, and you know, I use equipment pretty hard, and I don't know if you can see it right here, but there's a big gash in the oil filter here, and I don't even know how I did that, but you know, it looks like I could have very easily slid it open. So I'm building a frame here. I'm going to build a steel frame, come across here and across the bottom and kind of up this way to protect this stuff, because you know, if I don't, the next thing I'm going to do is knock this off or tear out these lines or something like that. So you can see I've got a couple of angles already clamped on here, and now I've cut this piece that's going to go right in there. Alright, well that's got it installed. I now feel a little safer that I won't rip my hydraulics out every time I go out to do a job. Anyway, I hope this was helpful to somebody out there. Maybe you've got a tractor like this or a situation like this. Or if not, maybe you just found it interesting. Thank you for watching.